Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to display reviews on your Shopify store. But before starting with the tutorial, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. So without wasting much time friends, let's start with this tutorial. So first, we are going to integrate a third-party app to display reviews on a Shopify store. And for that, we need to click on apps and then we need to click on recommended apps. Now scroll down over here and then you need to click on the link over here, Shopify App Store. So this is going to open the Shopify App Store for us. So there we go. So this is the Shopify App Store. Now you need to look out for the app called Review, Product Reviews and Q&A. You can search this name and if it is shown on the home page itself then you can directly click it. So this is the app that we are looking for. Over here if you see they have a free plan also. So now let me scroll down. Also friends, if you see it has the rating of 4.8. So that means the app is really good. So if you scroll down then you can see all their pricing detail also. Their basic plan starts from $6.99 per month and it goes till $19.99 per month. Now let's scroll on top. Now let me click on add app button over here. So this is going to install the app for us on our Shopify store. But before that, it is going to display a screen wherein it will ask for the permissions. So this is the screen which I was talking about. So it displays all the permission that this app is accessing on your Shopify store. So now let me click on install app button over here. So this is going to install the app successfully on your Shopify store. It takes a little bit of time, but after finishing it successfully, it will display the dashboard for you. So there we go. We have successfully installed the review, product reviews and Q&A app on the Shopify store. So this is the dashboard of the app. So if you see at the right side, it shows connect to your store. That means it shows the green tick mark over here. That means the app has been successfully connected to the store. And now we need to click on this particular option over here. And it displays the product review widget option. So if you see, they have given us a button which says we need to manually add the installation code on the Shopify theme. So, in order to display the reviews widget on a Shopify theme front end, we need to click on that particular button. So now let me click on manually add button. So this is going to open the documentation page of the app. So now let's scroll down. So this is the documentation page of this particular app. So over here they have given whole information how you need to add the app on your Shopify store and how you display the widget on the front end. That is how you can display the reviews widget on the front end. So if you see over here, they have given us a script code. So now we need to copy this particular script code. So select the code and copy the code. Now you guys need to paste the code on your Shopify theme in the products.liquid page, or if you have product page name as main.product.liquid, then you can paste it over there. So now let me open the product page of the Shopify theme. So friends, if you see, currently I am under the themes option, and for that you need to click on the sales channel, then online store and then themes. So this is the live theme that I am using. So we need to click on the three dots which are given over here. Now click on edit code. So this is going to open the Shopify theme code editor. Now over here at the left side, you need to search for product. So if your theme has the file called product.liquid, you can open that. Or if your theme has main-product.liquid, then you can open it. So if you see, I've already opened it over here. Now scroll down at the bottom. So we need to paste the code that we had copied. So let's look out for the area where we can paste the code. So let me paste it over here down. Yeah, there we go. So now I have pasted the code over here inside the theme, inside the main.product.liquid file. Main the main hyphen product.liquid file. So now let me click on save. So this is going to save the changes for us on the Shopify theme. So now let's click on the exit button over here. Now let's open the front end of the website and let's see whether the reviews widget is displayed on the website or not. So friends, if you see, I've opened the front end of the website. Now let me open the product page on this front end of the website. So if you see, I have different products. So I'll open any product on the website. So this is the t-shirts product that I have. Now let me scroll down a bit. There we go. We have the write a review option over here. And if you are already having a review, then it will show the reviews. So this particular option is coming because we had pasted the review snippet inside the theme on the product page. So now let me click on write a review, this link. Now over here we can see the product which we are giving a rating. So under that we are having the quality of the stars, that is like how many stars that we are giving, 4, 5, 3 or whatever. Then I need to enter the customer's name, like that is who is giving the rating. So let me call it code it. Then the email address. Then the customer needs to submit his review title, like I'll say product is good. Then the review content, I'll say quality of product is good. And if the customer has photos of the product, then you need to click on this upload file option over here and then upload the image of the product. And then we need to click on submit your reviews. So guys, this process will be done by the customers on your website. So once they purchase the product, they are going to submit the reviews for you. Now, after this process gets successfully, we are going to get a message over here on the pop-up itself. So it's taking a little bit of time, but there we go. It shows us a message that review has been successfully posted. And now on the website, we can see the review. We can see the review rating as 5 and we can see how many reviews are posted. That is 1 reviews. Then at the right side, we can see how many stars we have under the like which particular review. Like 5 stars, we have 1 review, and similarly, like 4, 3, 2, 1, we have 0 reviews. So if a customer posts 2 as a review, then you're going to get 1 over here under 2. So this whole calculation will be done as per the reviews that are posted by the customers. So now let me scroll down and and show you the exact review. So there we go. It shows us the customer's name who has given the review. Then it shows us the star rating and it also shows when the review was posted. Then we have review title and the review content. And then at the last we have, is this helpful? You, you can either give a thumbs up or thumbs down. So depending on like if you like the review or not. So this is how we display reviews on the Shopify website. Now let us go back in the Shopify backend and let's see the analytics of this particular app. So currently, if you see, I am on the themes page of the Shopify store. So now let me click on apps, and then over here we have an option called review product reviews and Q&A. So we need to click on it. So it is going to open the dashboard page of the app for us. So now we need to click on the analytics option over here under reviews. So this is going to display the analytics of the app. So it shows us the analytics. So when the review was posted, like which month and which particular date, and then we can see like on which particular product the reviews are posted and when the reviews was posted. Similarly, under manage reviews, you can see the reviews that are posted on the website. So you can also see the analysis like from which country, how many ratings are given, and how many ratings were given on which particular date and month. And at the last, you're going to get the reviews for you which are already posted. So it is taking a little bit of time to display reviews, but yeah, there we go. You can see the reviews. So on which particular product it has been posted and who has posted it, and you can click this particular option over here in order to delete, or you can even unpublish the review on the page that you are having on the Shopify store. So by default, when a customer submits the review is directly displayed on the product page. So if you think that the review is inappropriate, then you can delete the review over here, or you can even unpublish the review. So guys, this is how we display the reviews on the Shopify template, or you can call it Shopify theme. In order to get more videos like this, please go ahead and click subscribe button down on my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my news videos. Till then, signing off from this video. Thank you.